Hello and welcome to the Business Analytics channel. My name is Shivani, and I'm excited to be your instructor for this course. Today we will understand what is business analytics. Business analytics is the practice of using data and statistical methods to analyze business problems and make better decisions. In today's data-driven world, businesses of all sizes need to be able to harness the power of analytics to stay competitive and succeed. In this class, we will cover the basics of business analytics, including descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics, data visualization, and data-driven decision-making. We will also explore common tools and techniques used in business analytics, such as Excel, SQL, and Tableau. But before we dive into the course material, let's talk about how to get started. The first step in any analytics project is to identify the business problem you want to solve. This could be anything from improving sales to reducing costs to optimizing processes. Once you have identified your problem, the next step is to gather the relevant data. This could involve pulling data from internal databases, scraping data from external sources, or conducting surveys and experiments. After you have gathered your data, the next step is to clean and transform it into a usable format. This may involve removing duplicates, filling in missing values, and converting data types. Finally, you can begin to analyze your data using various statistical methods and visualization tools. This will allow you to uncover insights and trends that can help you make better business decisions. So, if you're ready to join me on this exciting journey of business analytics, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Thanks for watching.